Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kala penpau bakan yene rengkat bat ka All India Congress Committee ban persya ya ka jingwan jong ka bor sensyar kabalong klemper khat breu bat bom kongo ya ka rokom sensyar pajba ka kenhon kongres ka jela kala penlong ya ka signature campaign haman laki blok barado menta kumba sipo wajan ngut ki pajba kila soy ban penpau ya ka jing persya jongki Mangasni lai hajar haduk sawajar ngut ki weipat kidangwan ai jing kersian ha office kongres kinong yalam kongres ki ong bagane ka jing persya kam dai ban sim khia tangkum kap kam party henry ka dai ban long ka jing persya pajba persya ya ka jing thmu ban pen khen ya ka rokom sensyar pajba hakari ki ong ru ba kinong Meghalaya ki dai ban long ki bau siar bad om dai ban sya pen be namar ka hok ban jet ban pen kelaya ka sorkar ka syong hakabor upajba hi Hakabiyadai berkajing pynrung kerteng kidong tebot ka parti kalaya kendo ya chief electoral officer ban aijing mut badai ban aibor shuh ya ki Dorbar Shnong namar ka jela kamdon panchayat tirai kan ka jing aibor kan yarap ban khanglat ya kidong tebot ki ba omdei kinong Meghalaya ne ki ba pendon kambakla ya ka electoral roll Habakali Jepang ka jingjet kertong hakabaya der ka election sa GHADC ka kongres kaya tho banaki arpo kundai teliki sit kaya opdiang reu punyo teliki kerteng kiba pantiken ka parti kala khangno ya ka jing pynrung kerteng thymmai namar kala biang lupa banjin Hakbaya dai bagi kendo lang ki parti reulom hadelhi na kalian kinong yalam kaseng kongres kila ong baka ni kadai tang kajing penpau bagi parti ridru kila snuto baka jinya dai baka BJP kamlong shu ka ba mentoy ka kongres kala penpau ru baka dang penkre ba ya ka election arah jar arfun reu sa GHADC baka singus kam baka da kajing kersian ki pajba ka parti kan nangkeu
There is a direction from the All India Congress Committee. There is a serious concern about the electoral roll manipulation, particularly after the Maharashtra election. We have done our part here, even in the state. We are supporting All India campaign. Massive protests against both chori is over. We have done it all over India. We have done it even in Meghalaya, Shillong. In every district, block, we have done it. After that, we have done it. First thing, we have done it candlelight on both chor, Gadi chor, on the march. You all know that. And after that, we have come down to both chor, state level, everything. And then after that, now we got another direction from All India Congress Committee, and we are doing all over India. We are doing very massively. That is nation-wide both chore signature campaign. We are doing it in the state level. We are doing it in headquarters Shillong, and we have percolated down to the district level. We are doing it at district level, and also we have gone down to the block level, and everybody, they are supporting, they are signing this both Chori Gadi Chor signature campaign. Till now, I think how many? 10,000 people they have already signed, they have supported. That's why today we would like to thank on behalf of the party those who really supported, signed against this vote chore and Gadi chore.
He had been very, very vocal. In fact, just a few days back, all of you would have noticed that memes has been created also, right? That it is not the Gujarat model, it has become a Brazilian model, which means that people have shamelessly used even photographs of individuals which are not from the country just to register their votes, and in the process of that they are trying to undermine the entire process of the election commission. Now the election commission also from time to time keeps on telling everybody that they are not wrong, So if they are not wrong, at least it should come clean. We believe that if these evidences keep on popping up, and from the Congress party, especially Shri Rahul Gandhi has been vehemently saying about this. We believe that this is something which cannot be taken for granted. So whether it's in the state of Meghalaya, or whether it's in the state of Karnataka, or whether it's in the state of Maharashtra, it doesn't matter. But what matters is that the entire election process is under question. And this is something which is very important, because the manipulation is happening at a very large scale. And because of this manipulation, you've all noticed that even in Bihar, around 60 lakhs voters were deleted. It's a very big number. You've seen the particular constituency in Karnataka, where only one constituency with 6 lakhs voters, 1 lakh voters were deleted and manipulated rather. So these kind of things, I think, is very critical. So even at the state level, we have obviously pledged, as ma'am is saying, it has come as a direction from AICC. We have done a pledge saying that we also will contribute to the voice that is against this vote chori. The idea is we have managed somehow, at least from the state of Meghalaya, by going from block to block, and 10,000 people have registered their protest in a form of a signature. We are continuing this campaign, so more and more people every day, around 1,000, especially nowadays, is picking up. So around 300-400 a day is coming back to the Congress office. And we believe that the people of Meghalaya should not take this too lightly also, because please understand that we are not trying to question anything. We're trying to question the entire democratic process of the country. We've seen countries that have gone into authoritarian kind of a process. For example, we know for sure what Russia is all about, and countries like China and so on and so forth. And it is just something which is totally against what the constitution is all about, and totally about the democratic process is all about. So we thank, and we'd like to share through the media and raise more awareness amongst the public at large, especially in Meghalaya. If at all you believe that the future of your children, the future of the state, the future of our people is supposed to be, and the power is supposed to be kept with the public at large, which means that the public has a right to vote, the public has a right to take government out and bring new government and ensure that the entire democratic process is alive, then we urge everybody to come forward and raise your protest in some way or the other. The signature campaign is also very an important thing, but it's also important that we stay vigilant. We stay vigilant at each and every constituency. We look at things that are happening which is not right. We should understand that come what may, the BJP will try its level best to rear its ugly face even here in Meghalaya, and we believe we should put a stop to that and not allow such things to happen. So from the Congress point of view, this is what we urge the public at large. If you want to support, please support us with the signature campaign. We are still continuing with it. Each and every block, each and every district, our workers are there, and they are going around from house to house and asking people to at least sign on the campaign itself, so that we raise more awareness amongst the public at large. And that's all that we want to say at this moment related to this. Thank you so much. So Panchayati Raj, since we don't have a Panchayati Raj here, we had told him that we had to give more power to the Dorbar. And this is not just being followed by the Congress, this is being followed by other political leaders also who were there in the meeting together with us. And we had given our suggestion, and we hope that the Election Commission of Meghalaya takes it forward. And he had pledged and promised us that he will definitely take it very seriously to give more power, so that at least we'll ensure that the infiltration and so on and so forth, and the voters who are not eligible to be voters should not just get through and be able to vote. Because as you have noticed in Shri Rahul Gandhi's campaign also, there are a lot of voters who jump from one place to the other. So they'll vote in Delhi today, and after 2 months they'll go to Bihar, vote in Bihar, and after 3 months they'll go to Karnataka, vote in Karnataka. So it gives them ample time to delete from one place to the other, which obviously with the kind of money power that the BJP has is definitely going to disturb the entire election process. Yeah?
To the next issue.
They are joining one by one. So we are getting ready. It is not proper. There are certain things in politics, we must keep it very secretly. When time comes, we will tell you.
So the TMC MDCs are also on the way.
On the way. So you know on the way. So maybe they are reaching very soon.
What about NBP MDCs?
Huh?
NBP MDCs?
We don't know yet.
Do you hope that election will be held as per the time?
Looks like by first week of April.
Can you tell us your preparation plus how many candidates now?
Have approached the party.
It's very simple, sir. Let's just put it this way: the mood of the public at large is definitely coming for us, which means that the Congress will obviously will revive, and no matter how much people criticize, no matter how much people talk against the party, definitely it's something which is the public is showing a different tangent altogether. So it's moving in a different direction altogether. So we're hopeful that many others will join.
Good.
But however, by saying that people will join the party does not necessarily mean that everybody will join or will allow everybody to join, right? We'll also have to filter out, depending on the kind of people who are joining, depending on whether they're opportunistic in nature or they just joining the party because they firmly believe. Like for instance, when Mr. Zinit Sangma joined, he joined out of goodwill, right? And he joined because he still has a love for the party, and such personalities with, very tall personalities should also be considered, right? So it's a case-to-case basis, which Madam will take it forward as a working person.
Different parties. We never say no to them, and they are joining without any condition. They wanted to strengthen Congress party in Garo Hills once again. With that intention, all of them they are coming and they are joining the party.
Is Mughal Sangma still untouchable to Congress?
What?
Is Mughal Sangma still untouchable?
Untouchable?
So I think
No, it is not. It is not from our side. We never say who is untouchable or touchable. In politics, everybody is touchable.
Yeah.
So we have at the moment we don't want to comment anything on Dr. Mukul Sangma.
How many council election? How many registration? How many applicants you received?
So I think leave it so.
No,
Yeah.
we have 29 seats. Okay. I think out of 29, I think application we received 60 plus.
67.
67.
And that also
Yeah.
is not because they received 67, but Madam decided to close the window,
Yeah.
saying that if we keep on waiting, then more people will apply. She said it's becoming a bit too much, so they had to stop. So 67 is a good enough number to get for 29 seats. Yeah.
Okay, Northeast recently, Kontrar Sangma and Pradyut Devarma,
Yeah.
they joined together and co-convened a meeting in Delhi. Like-minded parties as well. So, what is your response to this regional front?
I think our president has already said a lot about that.
Oh,
I think we leave it there. No?
Yeah.
I mean, there's nothing much else to say.
But it will be threat to the Congress in the region,
No.
the Northeast.
Not at all.
Not at all. It's just a